In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Medicaid online in 2026. So I know this process can be a little bit daunting at first, but once you really get into it, it's really simple and intuitive. So what you want to do is you want to open up any web browser such as Google Chrome or Safari if you're on a Mac. The point is just open up a web browser. Okay, now please pay attention. So what you want to do is you want to look up healthcare government website in the search bar just like so, then press on enter. Then what you want to do is you want to carefully look for the link that says healthcare.gov. Once again, it is healthcare.gov. Do not press on any other link that doesn't look like that because anything that's not healthcare.gov exclusively is a scam. Only go to this website. Guys, you really want to make sure you pick the right one. So typically it is going to appear on the top of search results. So go ahead and just select on healthcare.gov. And you will know that once again, it is the right place if it looks something like this and that it says healthcare.gov. So anyways, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and actually go over here to where it says get coverage. So here it is. Then you need to pick your state. So select on your state over here. Now the process is going to be slightly different depending on what state you are located in, but it's still going to generally be the same. And let's go ahead and walk through what information you actually need to apply for health insurance. So across all states, you're going to need to include your full legal name, your address, the amount of household members, your income, and what job you have. So like a brief job description, and most importantly, you're going to need a social security number or immigrant documentation so you still are able to get health insurance. So yeah, just the way it works is that if your income qualifies, the marketplace automatically sends your information to the state Medicaid office for final approval. And this is incredibly easy. And then from there, they're going to give you a bunch of options that you could select for you to actually get healthcare. Okay, and some more general information, you're going to need to submit proof of income, which typically you could use pay stubs or a tax return, for example. And for a social security number, if you don't have one, you could also use immigration documents. So guys, do not be worried about that. Make sure that you get healthcare. It's really important. All right, so let's say you were in New York, for example. What you want to do is you want to press on apply today right over here. Then you want to select on register account. So you're going to need to register an account regardless of what state you are in. And you're going to need to set a password and a username. Do not forget your password and username, please, guys. So I recommend that you write them down on your device notes, put it on a piece of paper or anything like that, and keep it in a safe place. The point is you want to make sure that you do have it in a safe space. But from there, you guys are able to go ahead and apply for insurance. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.